So I get asked all the time, Adam, how do I prevent reactivity in my dog? It's simple. Don't take it to a dog park. That disease-riddled fight club is where reactivity is born. Mixing your dog with strange dogs on a daily basis is like playing Russian roulette. It's pure insanity. That dog that runs across the field as the owner shouts out, "It's okay, it's friendly," is only saying that because Fido Come simply wouldn't work. She's letting off an untrained dog off the lead. Why would you mix your dog with that? That dog that you're letting your dog play with, do you know if that dog has any illnesses or any diseases? Yeah? We like to think that people will keep their dogs inside if they were sick, but not everybody does. We like to think that people wouldn't take reactive dogs to a dog park, but they do. Two dogs, friendly, can still clash. Want your dog to not become reactive? Don't go to dog parks. Thank you.